The broth is icy cold, but the flavor is deep and full of life. It starts with the gentle aroma of garlic and ends with a slow, satisfying warmth. Simple steps, honest ingredients, the kind of dish that feels like home. In summer, meals like this bring comfort without heat and memories without effort. Let's make this bowl together. Cool for your body, warm for your heart.